For the General Settings Contacts tab, we provide a couple of fields that are of interest. One of them is how to map to the Categories field in Outlook. You can do nothing, which means you can then map it through the field mapper, or we transfer the ACT groups to categories, so all the group membership for the contact appears in the categories as part of the categories field, or we can map the ACT ID status over to the categories in Outlook. In the addressing options, by default we merge address 1, 2, and 3 into a string into Outlook. That enables us to get the data properly into Outlook. If you have remapped address 1, 2, and 3 in ACT into be something else, you should disable this option. Also, if you have a phone number and you want the phone number extension to be added into Outlook, we provide you with a text that you can modify if you want to. By default, we just call it ext colon. And the country code, this country code should be the country code of the country you live in. One is for the United States. If you are in any other country, please enter that here, because that's what's going to show up. That's going to be ignored by our software, and it will not be entered into Outlook because that's a default. Also, we've seen that there is corruption in ACT on the area codes. So if the area code does not exist for phone number, you have an option to actually replace that area code with an area code that you want.